Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: bed liner, alloy wheels, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, running boards, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.